This is the best way to make $1,000 a week online in 2021. Imagine $1,000 instant payments paid directly to your PayPal account, Stripe, Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, or bank account. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not, and in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to make $1,000 per week online in 2021. Hey, it's Dan Folk here, and I've been showing average, everyday people how to make money online with affiliate marketing for over 10 years now. And in that time, I've learned that people who are always struggling to make money online face the same problems. Lack of quality education, lack of a good sponsor. They fail to focus on the key skill sets they need to finally have their breakthrough and make money online. Now, in this video, I want to share with you a proven educational platform that I've been using to help people develop the necessary skills that they need to achieve success online. It's called Exodus Elite. And in this Exodus Elite review, I'm going to break it all down for you step by step. And by the end of this video, you're going to learn exactly where to go to learn these key skill sets. And at the exact same time, you're going to learn how to make $1,000 a week online. But first, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. This channel is all about how to make money online, how to generate a full-time or part-time income by leveraging the power of the internet in legitimate work-from-home opportunities that I feature on this channel. I also have a lot of affiliate marketing training for beginners, and I share with you my proven strategies and resources. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, smash that bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get started. I want to show you exactly how to make $1,000 a week online. So here's exactly what you're going to learn in this video. What is Exodus Elite? Is Exodus Elite a scam? What are the products? What exactly are we selling? How do we make money with Exodus Elite? What is the Exodus Elite compensation plan? And lastly, when you decide to allow me to help you, exactly what you can expect from me as your sponsor. And my exclusive team bonuses. Now, you're not going to want to miss this, I guarantee it. So let's get started right now. What is Exodus Elite? Well, first I can tell you what it's not. Exodus Elite is not a scam, it's not a money game, or a Ponzi scheme, or a cash gifting program. Exodus Elite is a membership-based educational platform where the average everyday people can learn the necessary key skill sets they need to achieve success online. The core of this e-learning platform is high-level quality training products in the form of courses, tutorials, and training from the internet's top online marketing experts. And Exodus Elite is a 7-year-old worldwide company owned by Mr. Paul Stevenson with 0 complaints out there. What are the products? The Exodus Elite training platform is divided up into 4 yearly product package membership levels called the Genesis Library: G100, G250, G500, and the G1000. The G100 and the G250 product packages are the starter packages and include training to get your marketing off to a fast start. The G500 product package includes leadership, personal, professional development. The G1000 product package, that's the premier package, allows you to learn from some of the best marketers in the world. And all the product packages consist of online marketing training in the form of video courses and are available for download immediately. How do we make money? Included with your Exodus Elite membership is an amazing affiliate platform that gives members the opportunity to earn money by sharing the membership platform with others. As an Exodus Elite affiliate, you can resell the educational product packages and earn 100% commissions paid directly to you. You can earn $100 to $1,000 per sale depending upon the membership level sold. And one of the fastest ways you can start applying the key skill sets you learn to make money online from home is by becoming an Exodus Elite affiliate. That way you can earn as you learn. And as an Exodus Elite affiliate, you have access to all the tools and training necessary to make $1,000 per week online. You get a state-of-the-art back office that tracks your sales commissions and advises new members how to pay you, and instantly delivers products to them. You'll get beautiful capture pages, high converting VSL and sales page. You've got a built-in autoresponder with follow-up emails. Step-by-step training on how to market your business using a variety of marketing methods, plus resources. What is the Exodus Elite compensation plan? The Exodus Elite affiliate program uses the 1-Up compensation plan. The first sale you make at your product purchase level is called your qualifying sale. The buyer and the commission is passed up line. You are then qualified, and you can keep every single sale after that. And Exodus Elite affiliates are paid directly from their customers. You can get paid through PayPal, Stripe, Venmo, Cash App, Google Pay, etc. There's all kinds of ways for you to get paid. And lastly, when you decide to allow me to help you, exactly what you can expect from me as your sponsor. Now, what you probably already experienced from other home-based businesses or other sponsors, lots of hype, lots of promises, right? It's easy. It's automated. No work. The money just flows in. After you sign up, your sponsor vanishes or they're off promoting something else. They're hopping from program to program. So really, there's no one there to answer any of your questions, no one to guide you step by step. And unfortunately, this is what usually happens, and that's why this work from home opportunity niche has a bad name. And that's exactly what happened to me when I first started. I think it happens to everyone. You join somebody and they vanish. And I swore up and down, whenever I became successful and started getting sales on a regular basis, I would become the best sponsor I can be. So here is what I promise you. I can't guarantee your success. I can't guarantee that right when you join, you're going to get a sale in a week or a few days, or I can't guarantee that at all. So here's exactly what you can expect from me, and I guarantee this on this page, and I put it in writing for you. Okay, number one, you're going to take action. You're going to click the link below, watch the 8-minute video. Number two, you're going to join my Exodus Elite team as an affiliate. Hopefully you can join at the $1,000 level so you don't miss out on any commissions and team bonuses. And I have a lot of team bonuses that I'm going to show you in just 1 minute here. Number three, you're going to receive an extensive welcome email from me with my links to my team training website and my exclusive team marketing portal. Number four, I will personally give you a call, welcome you to our team, and schedule our first coaching call. Number five, our first coaching session lasts about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, I can help you set your system up if you want me to. We're going to go over the members area, training, and resources. Number six, continued personal one-on-one support. Now, how do I know Exodus Elite is going to work for you? Well, the only results I have to go on is my own and the results of people who allowed me to help them. And I can tell you this, the personal one-on-one support, training, and bonuses that I provide gives you the best probability of achieving success in your Exodus Elite business. How does my one-on-one support work? By scheduled appointments, email and text message responses. How often? As often as you need it. And lastly, my exclusive team bonuses. And you're going to love these right here because I always put a lot of things in place to help out my team members, to jumpstart their business. And I'm a firm believer in this, and I'm sure you probably heard it from me before. I love to make money at the service of others rather than at the expense of others. And I even reach into my own pocket and help you out with some traffic. And I'm going to get to that in a little bit here. But first of all, you're going to receive my personal one-on-one help and ongoing coaching, initial 30-minute coaching call, and marketing strategy session. You're also going to get access to my exclusive team members area. And I've got step-by-step video tutorials how to set your system up in 3 easy steps. And this site includes my personal traffic resources and other bonuses. And here's the deal, your members can have access to this too, all right? So there's just 3 easy steps to get started. And so you're going to give this to your members. So that way you don't have to hold anybody's hand, and they'll get access to this site right here. All the great traffic resources, exact same traffic resources that I'm using to have all my success in Exodus Elite. And they're in my exclusive team members area. And here's a bonus that I'm really excited about right here. It's for people who join me at the G1000 level. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put your first person in for you. Now, if you recall, this is a one-up compensation plan. So what happens when you start marketing? Your first sale is going to roll up to me. Well, no, that's not going to happen with me, because I will put your first person in for you. You'll never have to pass up any sale to me when you join me at the G1000 level. Now, if you are going to join me, you have to contact me first for a special link, okay? And again, that's only at the G1000 level, okay? If you are interested and you want to start, please contact me, because I have a very special link for you. Now, this bonus is available to everyone. My exclusive Team Traffic Co-op, and this is awesome right here because it's going to put your marketing on autopilot, all right? So my Team Traffic Co-op allows you to leverage our buying power so you can get top tier 1 traffic from a top solo ad provider, Jasdeep Singh, at a discounted price. No marketing is required for this done for you option. Again, you have access to this, and everyone who joins you will have access to the Team Traffic Co-op. Now, that's just a sample of the over-the-top bonuses that I have to jumpstart your business with me. All right, now, if you want to view all of them, I want you to go to ExodusElite2021.com. You can opt into that page. You're going to learn more about me, and you'll see all my exclusive team bonuses. All right, there you have it, the best way to make $1,000 a week online with Exodus Elite. Now, that was a brief overview, and if you got some value out of that, that's awesome. I'd appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, that was just an overview. I have a complete review for you that shows the back office, income results, a lot of testimonials from other people, and everything you need to know about Exodus Elite. Right over here, there's going to be a video right there at the end of this video, so watch out for that. And I also want you to click the link in the description of this video. When you click that link, it's ExodusElite2021.com. You're going to be redirected to learn more about me and what I used to do before my online journey, and all my bonuses for Exodus Elite will be on that page too. So there's a lot of great things for you to look at on there, and then you're going to watch the 8-minute overview of Exodus Elite. And I hope you're excited. I'm excited about this business. I've been at this business for a long time, helped a lot of people out, and I look forward to helping you out in Exodus Elite and being your sponsor. Okay, I've got my contact information below. If you have any questions, you can always put them in the comments there. I really appreciate you watching this. This is Dan Frohlke, and we'll see you on the next video.